In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in HubSpot. Now to do this, you first want to go to your dashboard, then go over here on the left and you want to go to Sales. Inside Sales, click on Meetings Scheduler, and the very first thing you're going to have to do when you enter this is basically connect your calendar. So there's going to be a button, click on Connect Calendar. You'll be able to select what type of calendar you want to connect, like Microsoft Outlook or Google or Gmail, whatever. And then when you do that, super simple, you have to authorize it and you're gonna have your calendar connected. Once you've done this, you want to schedule a meeting by clicking Create Scheduling Page, top right. And then from here, you want to choose a scheduling page type. So here you have one-on-one, group, or round robin. I'm actually going to go for one-on-one right now. And of course, you can go and give your, of course, internal name to this meeting. So I'm going to name this one-on-one tutorial, just like that. You want to select your marketing campaigns. I'm going to actually pick this one over here, so tutorial. So these things that don't have the star next to them means they're not necessary, but the fields that do are necessary to fill out. You have to put in the organizer, the event title. I'm actually going to name this tutorial. Location is going to be online, and you can also add a video conference link if you want to by connecting an app. And you can also put a description down here, and you can cancel and reschedule if you want to as well. When you've done this, click on Next. And then from here, you can go and of course see the scheduling page link. So for me, it's going to be this one. You can also go and schedule it. And then you have like form and confirmation. So if I go to scheduling, I'm going to do scheduling title. I'm going to do meet with myself. Duration is going to be 30 minutes. You could go and change this as well. And then you can just select your time zone and your availability window. And you can change all the times over here super simply and add more of them if you wanna. Then here, you can also go and select form. You can also do this form to ask prospects and customers a few qualifying questions before you do this, and then you have confirmation as well, where of course if you want to display it, you can. If you don't wanna, you can redirect somewhere else. Once you've done this, click on Next, and you have automation, which is the last page, and you can of course set up some automation here if you wanna, and then hit the Create Scheduling Page bottom right, and there we go, schedule page has been published, and you actually now have it. If I go to this one over here, I've actually created a scheduling page and people can schedule meetings with me on here by clicking on a specific time, putting in their info and confirming it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.